YouTube. Although I'm nobody important on the internet, I want to talk about something people should know. Now, this is not a new topic on YouTube, but I want to contribute some new information that I think would be helpful. Now, the video topic is about images we consume on social media, most specifically female bodies coming from celebrities, influencers, and personalities, and the skewed beauty expectations it creates for women and men. Now, there are a great variety of YouTube videos about how social media images are manipulated and not always a reflection of real-life people. However, I noticed that these videos don't really teach you how to develop the skill in spotting these signs. And so with this video, I want to teach you how you can tell if someone's face or body has been altered on social media, and tell you how you can apply this knowledge towards any social media image or video. And yes, videos can be deceptive in how bodies are portrayed, and I'll explain a little later how. The format of this video essay is in two sections. First, we'll discuss 3 methods used for beauty enhancement, starting from the most conservative changes to the most drastic changes, and gain an understanding of what each one does. And in the last section, we'll go over specific content and spot each method we learn. A little bit of a disclaimer, I am no YouTuber, and my public speaking could use some work, so bear with me if I'm a little wonky on camera, but I guarantee that the content is not. Makeup is great at creating illusions and enhancing features on the face and body. However, I won't spend too much time on this method because, 1, the purpose of this video is to teach you the skill of clocking social media content that misrepresents natural bodies and can be harmful to people viewing them. And 2, the use of makeup is generally very transparent, meaning people know about it, how it's worn, moreover, and it's accessible for people. Due to this transparency, you can generally tell and are able to set fair beauty expectations with yourself. However, I still wanted to mention this because makeup exists and does alter human faces and bodies. Moving on. Understanding what people get done helps us better evaluate the reality of photos. So we're going to review some of the top procedures in the United States of America to understand what people get done and later point out these procedures in photos. Based on the Plastic Surgery Statistics Report in 2019, the most popular procedures include breast augmentation, liposuction, eyelid surgery, nose reshaping, Botox, and soft tissue filler. In addition, when compared to 2018, there was a 19% increase in buttocks implants with fat grafting. Unfortunately, many celebrities, influencers, and personalities are less transparent with surgeries when compared to wearing makeup. Moreover, a lack of transparency is sometimes due to people wanting to attribute a snake oil product to their cosmetic enhancement. These products include weight loss teas, supplements, and weight trainers, just to name a few. Now, not all celebs, influencers, and personalities have plastic surgery, but when consuming their content, this is an important consideration for anyone whose livelihood depends on their appearance. And I want to emphasize, I have nothing against plastic surgery, and any person should have the right to be the best version of themselves. I do have something against deceptive marketing that contributes to unrealistic expectations of the human body, especially in young girls. Now, plastic surgery has limitations. For example, I could never achieve an 18-inch waist due to my body type, and the fact that I have ribs. And when I'm 60, I will never look like I'm 16 again, even with all of the surgery in the world. However, the next method beats the limitations. This is the most important to discuss because I feel like this is the most damaging to people's self-image and body expectations. It's gotten to a point where women don't even look human anymore. For example, the average waist to hip ratio in American women is 0.8, meaning when you take the width of the waist and hip, divide them, you get 0.8. Some women may be more or less, but that's just the average. Let's rewind to celebrities of the 1990s, far before social media. And even though plastic surgery was around, the beauty standard emphasized slim figures and enhanced breasts. Reshaping of the waist to hip ratio through liposuction and fat transfer wasn't as common. To continue, playing devil's advocate, I took the waist to hip ratio of celebrities noted as curvy for their time. Now, let's compare the waist to hip ratio of a few 21st century celebrities and influencers on social media. Clearly, these are impossible. There are paid applications like Facetune and free applications like Airbrush, so many more. These apps can remove blemishes on the face, apply makeup, pinch in your jaw, change your eye color, increase the size of your breasts and hips, pull in your waist, and so much more. For people who professionally Photoshop images, such as in magazines, this can be difficult to tell. However, for people on social media using these applications, there are subtle signs that give it away. For example, people have pores, and a lot of these airbrushing effects can completely erase any on the face. In regards to videos are manipulated all the time, and people may not even know that they Photoshop videos when they are already doing it. And it's through filters. Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. These are all sites that incorporate video filters and can make the same effects as Photoshop. And a more advanced way faces and bodies are edited in videos are through paid software, like Adobe Premiere. Now that we have an understanding of these three methods, we'll apply them towards photos on social media. We'll be reviewing content on public social media accounts, prominently on Instagram, but first I need to express that the purpose is not to demean any of the people depicted, nor to imply anything negative about these women. I'm even a fan of many of the people we'll be talking about. The goal is simply to teach you the skill of critically analyzing the reality of photos. hope this video helped you understand how makeup, surgery, and Photoshop affects how images and videos change the female face and body, and the importance of understanding each method. I made this video as a teaching tool to help prevent unrealistic expectations and pressures to adhere to beauty standards no one can naturally meet. Maintaining a knowledge of what natural bodies look like is paramount to a healthy self-esteem, especially for young women watching this. Thanks for watching.